Okay, not sure if you guys saw the video where my Kubota decided to take a nap on the stem wall, but when it laid down, it bent this 7/8 inch bolt, anchor bolt, at a 90-degree angle, and when I tried to straighten the anchor bolt, it snapped off. So I've dug out a little bit of the concrete around the bolt so I could get to it a little bit better. Took the bolt end of it and wedged it up a little bit, and we're gonna try to reattach this. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, yesterday we tried using this cutter to cut our 1-inch hole for our 7/8 inch all thread, and I got down and I hit some rebar with it, and it stopped cutting. I mean, it was getting through the rebar a little bit, but I got to about 40 minutes of trying and still not halfway through it. So I went to Home Depot and they got this 3/4 inch bit that's supposed to cut just rebar. Unfortunately, they didn't have a 1-inch bit. I could have ordered one, but that was going to take a week. So I'm just going to try cutting up that rebar with this 3/4 inch and see how that goes. Got a chunk of steel out of there. That's a good sign. Alright, we're going to use some Simpson 2-part high strength epoxy. I want this stuff to mix inside the tube until you get a pretty uniform gray color. And we're going to just fill the hole up. We want to try to start as close to the bottom as possible so you don't get a bunch of air bubbles. And we're bottoming out. Now, this epoxy, I had it on my dash when I was driving over here, so I heated it up probably about 80 degrees. The warmer this stuff is, the easier it is to work with. If you try to do that on a cold day like today and your tube's at 50 degrees, you're going to fight trying to get this thing down in there. Okay, here's one of those little pickup items where, you know, you just got to figure out how to fix it. So you can see the bolt got stuck down in the concrete too deep, so can't really get the nut on it. So I mean, there's different ways to do this, I suppose, but just gonna chisel a little bit of wood out of here.